Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the lesson Unit 1, Part 6, Balancing Equations by Oxidation Number Method. Last class, we will discuss about the balancing of redox reaction in two types, oxidation number method. In this oxidation number method, first step is want to write skeletal equation, then write where the oxidation as well as reduction takes place, and then where the electron transformation takes place. So the third step will to be cross multiplication. The same method we are going to do for second equation also. One more example I am giving now. So KMnO4, I am writing first step is skeletal equation. KMnO4 Na2SO3 gives MnO2 and Na2SO4 plus KOH. Now the second step, we are going to see the oxidation number first. So oxidation number, this is plus 7. Manganese how much? Plus 7. So it becomes now, it is plus 4. MnO2 it becomes plus 4. And here sulfur. Sulfur is plus 4. And what about here? Here plus 6. It is plus 6. So now I am going to write second step. See here plus 7, manganese becomes plus 4. What happened here? Decrease in oxidation number. So reduction. And plus 4 becomes plus 6. Here oxidation takes place. So we shall write once again KMnO4 plus Na2SO3 gives MnO2 plus Na2SO4 plus KOH, right? Plus 7 as well as here plus 4. How much variation takes place here? The variation plus 7, here plus 4. So plus 7 plus 4 now totally 3 electron variation, right? And here sulfur how much we are writing? Plus 4 and here plus 6. So 2 electron variation. So here we have 2 electron variation. So what will be the third step we are going to write? We are going to the cross multiplication for these two. So shall I write once again the third step? So if you are doing cross multiplication, so 2 KMnO4 plus, so how much will come here? 3 electrons. So 3 Na2SO3 gives MnO2 plus Na2SO4 plus KOH, right? Now shall we balance other one? So see here in the left side 2 potassium is present, right? 2 potassium is present. And what about right side? Only 1 potassium is present, right? So want to balance this. Shall I write 2 here? 2. And Mn, 2 Mn is present. And what about here? So here 2 Mn, so potassium is we balanced, right? And 2 Mn is present. On the right side only 1 Mn. For that balancing, shall I write here 2? So here also. So manganese also balanced, right? Now we are going to see potassium. So once again I am writing the same equation for balancing. 2 KMnO4 plus 3 Na2SO3 gives, we already balanced manganese. So once again 2 MnO2 plus Na2SO4 plus 2 KOH, right? Now we are going to balance sodium. How much sodium present here? 3 2s are 6 sodium is present. And what about the right side? Here also there is no, only 2 sodium. Want to balance this? Shall I write 3? So if it is balanced like that, automatically it is also balanced. Once again we are going to see sulfur. How much sulfur in the right side? 3 sulfur is present. What about right side? Right side also sulfur is here, 3 sulfur. Again 3 is also 3 sulfur. So now sulfur is also balanced, right? Now we are going to see oxygen. See here how much oxygen present here? 2 4s are 8 oxygen plus here 3 2s are, sorry, SO3. So 3 3s are 9. So totally 17 is present. And right side 2 2s are 4 oxygen is present. And here 3 4s are 12 oxygen is present. And here 2 oxygen. So totally how much will come? 16, 18 oxygen present, which is the least in number, left side. So one more oxygen want to add in the left side. Yes or no? So I am writing once again the fifth step. 2 KMnO4 plus 3 Na2SO3. Want to balance one oxygen. I am writing here one oxygen alone. Put your mind, for balancing here least number of oxygen, here 18. One oxygen we need to left side. So one oxygen, and then add once again the product 2MnO2 plus 3 Na2SO4 plus 2 KOH. See here, for balancing I am writing simply O. And what about hydrogen? There is no hydrogen in the left side, but here we have 2 hydrogen. Yes or no? Right side 2 hydrogen. Want to add, we are taking 2 hydrogen in the left side, so I am writing H2 in front of oxygen. So H2, if you are adding, right side also 2. Here 2 hydrogen is present, left side is also 2 hydrogen is present. Now everything is balanced. So understand, children, for this method you are going to use for next equations also. What are the first step? You have to practice for all the equation like that. First you are writing skeletal equation. Second you are adding the oxidation number, where the oxidation takes place, where the reduction takes place. Understand? As well as we are writing the electron transformation as well as the cross multiplying. Next we are balancing